Hey guys, if your Windows is in language you don't understand, maybe you just bought a laptop from another country, here is how to quick change it to English. You don't need to know the current language at all. Also, you can change it to any language you want. How to do this? First, open your Start menu and find this icon. Here is Settings. Or you can just click Windows, I, and Settings will open. Now look for the globe icon on the left side, globe and the clock. Click here. Then find this icon, globe, letter A and some symbol. Click here. On this page, find the blue button, Add language. Click here and find your language in this input field. For example, English. As you can see, I have English United States language on my computer, but let's download some another. For example, English United Kingdom. Click here, then this blue button, it means next. Check all these checkboxes and this one to make it default language of the system. And click Install, blue button. Wait while Windows will download all packets needed to install this language. It may take for few minutes. Wait for some time and then just click this button in this yellow line. Windows will restart, and when you log back in, your system will be in English. That's it, you've just changed your system language to English even without understanding the previous one. Save this video in case you ever help a friend with the same problem, leave a comment and mention that in Windows 11 single language you cannot change language of the system, only if you have professional or home version. To install it, watch other video from our channel how to install Windows 11. And subscribe to our channel.